Handa ka bang isakripisyo ang lahat para sa pangarap mo? Oo, kasi hindi eh. Pero kilalanin natin ang isang tao na mas pinili ang kanyang pangarap na maging isang pintor. Ipinanganak si Federico Aguilar Alcuaz noong Hunyo 6, 1932 sa Santa Ana, Manila. Pinasok niya ang pag-aabogasya sa Ateneo de Manila at nakakuha ng degree noong 1985 upang sundin ang kagustuhan ng kanyang ama na si Mariano Aguilar na isa ding abogado at musikero. Nakakuha siya ng scholarship upang makapag-aral sa Academia de Bellas Artes de San Fernando sa Madrid, kung saan din nag-aral ang mga kilalang individual tulad ni Juan Luna. Kilala si Federico Aguilar Alcuaz sa kanyang gestural paintings, watercolor works, abstract sculpture and textile arts. Atin namang tunghayan ang iilan sa kanyang mga likhang sining kasama na rin ang mga award-winning creations bago ang kanyang pagpanaw, na nag-iwan ng malaking kontribusyon sa mundo ng sining. In Federico Aguilar Alcuaz, Tres Maria series began in the 1970s. The artist transcends mere portrayal, delving into the essence of his subjects. In his 1984 masterpiece, Alcuaz adeptly captures the beauty, charm, and grace of three women. Departing from the traditional attire, he opts for modern with Spanish influences, adding depth to their portrayal. Through confident brush strokes and a vibrant color palette, the women exude relaxed aura, while subtle interplays a light and shadow infuse the scene with levity. Symmetry in both the depiction of the woman and accompanying objects, such as the three water goblets, showcases Alcuaz's compositional skill. The serene atmosphere, reinforced by tranquil background and natural foreground elements, underscore the harmonious blend of urban sophistication and organic beauty. The painting not only exemplifies Alcuaz's mastery, but also invites viewers to appreciate the timeliness, elegance, and allure of his subject, because in art is not what you see, but what you make others see.